Hey guys, how are we doing? I have a new camera. I'm using my Canon G7X, so I bought this purposefully for vlogging and I actually love it because before I was using my massive Canon camera which I use for filming my sit down videos, which was so heavy to hold and like really hard to vlog with, so I was like not vlogging as much as I would like to. But now I have my new camera. I'm so excited. I feel like a proper vlogger now because I have a Canon G7X. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So I've just come out of the shower, so my hair is like really damp. I did my makeup and I'm about to do my hair, and I thought I would pick up the camera and show you guys how I curl my hair because I always get questions on how I curl my hair and how I style it because short hair is quite difficult to style. So I thought I would show you guys how I curl my hair and, you know, just bring you along on this day with me. It's such a nice day today. It's really sunny, so I'm hoping to get some Instagram pictures. But yeah, I like to basically do my makeup when I come out of the shower before I do my hair because I like my hair to be damp, because when it's soaking wet it's so hard to like dry it and style it because my hair is so thick, so I feel like it works so much better when my hair is slightly damp. I feel like in every vlog I'm always wearing this robe, but like every time I get the shower this is what I put on because I don't know what to wear yet. Before I get into curling my hair and doing all of that, I just want to let you guys know that I am partnering up with Hairburst on this segment of the video, which I am so excited about because I've mentioned it before in a previous vlog, but I've been using Hairburst for like a year now, so like way before I even started YouTube. And then they reached out to me to send me some products and I was like, oh my god, I already have your gummies, like I love them, thank you. And then I've obviously tried them out, and then they asked if I wanted to partner with them to do a video, and of course I said yes because I actually love their products so much. So yeah, it's so surreal that I'm actually getting to work with them. Actually, this is the only thing that I've ever used prior to them reaching out to me, which is the Hairburst chewable gummies, and I am obsessed with them. These are the most tastiest things ever. They obviously like do their job in providing me with hair vitamins and like helping me have longer and thicker hair, but I love the taste of them. Like you can only have 2 gummies, like I wish I could have 10 gummies. Do you know what I mean? It tastes like a sweet. These are the gummies that I've been having for over a year now, and I started taking them because my hair I got my hair cut and it was so short. I got it cut in August, and after getting it cut I was like, oh my god, I need to grow it out. Like I miss my long hair, I wanted to grow it out, and I also really wanted to maintain like my thick healthy hair. And then someone recommended these to me at work. Someone was like, oh, I've used the Hairburst vitamins, and I was like, okay, where can I get them? So I got mine from Holland & Barrett, but you can also purchase them on the website. So I take these every day. I have them with my breakfast, so I keep one in my bedroom and then I keep a pot in the kitchen because sometimes I'll come up after breakfast and I'll eat it in my bedroom, and sometimes if I'm just staying downstairs and like working from my kitchen, I'll have it obviously there. They also sent me this. This is the Volume and Growth Elixir spray, and I absolutely love this spray. Like after using it I was like, where have you been all my life? It does so much for your hair and it smells amazing. Like my hair literally the next day smells of this. It's made with avocado and coconut. So it does a bunch of things. It adds volume to your hair, improves the appearance of your hair quality, contributes to fuller looking hair, improves gloss, and provides UV, heat and pollution protection, which that is my favorite thing that it does. So I literally just spray it all over my hair. So from like roots to length, and then sometimes I'll just flip my hair over. I like to make sure it goes everywhere. After drying your hair literally smells like coconut, and I always get compliments on my hair smell, so definitely this is like a new holy grail product that like I feel like I can't do my hair without this now. So once this has been sprayed onto my hair, I'm gonna blow dry it. Honestly, that spray makes such a difference. Like my hair usually gets so frizzy, and I feel like that spray like really helps. It does something. But yeah, I'm definitely like, I feel like I'm gonna be using this product forever. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I actually have a 20% discount code off everything on the Hairburst website. So the code is Noorie and it gets you 20% off everything. So that is amazing because I really wish I had that code when I was buying the hair gummies. I would definitely recommend it. If you do have any questions, like pop them in the comments down below. I have had a couple of DMs from some people on Instagram about the hair gummies because I've spoken about them before. And like, so if you do have any questions, feel free to like DM me or comment like below because I have been using them for over a year now, so I feel like I'm pretty experienced with them. Once my hair is dry and it's also like quite thick and full, like my curls really hold well. I actually use these hair curlers. These are actually new. I ordered them on Amazon because I've lost my hair curlers that I've had for like 3 or 4 years. They were also from Amazon, but Amazon don't sell them anymore, so I had to like buy this random one, so I'll see how it goes. But this is basically looks like the old one, so I got it. Oh yeah, and I always have a glove on because I'm so scared about burning my hands. Like, I'm just one of those people that get really scared, so I definitely have a glove on to protect me. So I just get a section like that, and then obviously get the wand and then wrap my hair around it. And I always go in opposite directions, so like I do different directions for each curl so that it looks very like relaxed and chill. And then there you have a curl. So I just literally pick up pieces from my hair and then wrap it around and I do it really messily. Like, my curls aren't perfect, but I kind of like that messy look, like effortless look. Guys, I can't believe how much my hair has actually grown. Like, my mum was saying the other day, like, your hair has actually grown so much. And I look at pictures, it makes me realise like how short my hair was when I got it cut. And I remember like walking out the hairdressers and I was like, oh my god, what have I done? Like, it was so short. I've never had my hair that short in my life. I went to work and I was like, guys, how do I get my hair longer? I was like, what can I do? Because I really want my hair to grow out. And then this girl was like, oh, I use these Hairburst vitamins, and I was like, oh, I've heard about them, but like, do they actually work? Because like, there's so many hair things out there, and it's just like you don't know what works and what like actually doesn't. She was like, yeah, I've used the Hairburst gummies and like they actually work, and I was like, okay, I'm buying them straight away, and I literally bought them. I go in with this Got To Be Oillicious with argan oil, tame and shine styling oil, and I've just put a tiny bit on my hand, rub it in. And then I go through my hair. Okay, so that is my hair done. It was so quick, I feel like, but this is literally what I do when I get my curly hair. I really feel like wearing a dress today, so I'm gonna go for this H&M one that I got. It's just like a really easy, I'm not going anywhere today, so I feel like it's just a really easy, comfortable white dress to wear. And I love that you can actually tuck these straps in. So I'm just gonna put this one on. Okay, so this is the dress that I'm wearing. I feel like it's such an easy, comfortable dress. And like I said, you can basically tuck the straps in. So I like to just do this. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. So I'm about to have lunch, and for lunch I'm having some rice with some red spinach and some okra that my mum made. This is a very like Bangladeshi meal, so I'm gonna eat this now. Okay, so I'm going to the park now with True, and I want to get an Instagram picture in this little white dress with my Loewe bag. Ooh. And it's a really nice day today because this past week has been really like gloomy and rainy, so the sun's out, so finally I can go out and try and take some content outside. The park is like packed. We like parked up and there's like, it's just so many people in the park, and I don't feel comfortable going to the park with loads of people there, so I'm just gonna drive around and maybe see if there's anywhere else we can go. Might get bubble tea, but yeah, the park is like so packed, and I don't know what I was expecting. It's a weekend and it's hot, so everyone has the same idea, but I just don't want to go because it's really packed. It's just not my vibe. I like the quiet scenery, you know. Okay, so change of plan. We actually decided to come to the park because I saw a little pathway that looked quite quiet, so I thought I would venture out and just walk.
Me, I'm brown. I'm very healthy.
This is the dress, guys, from H&M, and I'm wearing my Loewe bag today. very simple with my sandals. I don't know why I'm whispering. But I was just vlogging and this guy came behind me on his bike and said, look at me, I'm brown. I'm so selfish. So I don't know what that was about, but yeah, I'm gonna just carry on walking. I'm just looking for a nice location to try and take the Instagram picture that I want. I just want like loads of trees, really nice and green. So hopefully I can find something like that, but this is the first time vlogging outside and it's very awkward. And it doesn't help when people come behind you and make comments, but we move, we carry on with life. I don't think I'm wearing very appropriate sandals for a walk in a forest like this. A little update on the park situation. So we did go for a little walk. It was literally like a 5-minute walk. There are so many bugs there and I'm wearing a white, oh my god, there's some in the car. And I'm wearing a white dress, so they were literally like, I was dotted with bugs on me. So it wasn't a nice time, so I didn't really get to take a picture, but we're gonna go to get some bubble tea now. I'm going to my favorite bubble tea place. It's a newly found place. I literally hate bugs so much. There were so many. Maybe, oh my god, it's still in the car. There's still one in the car. Can you see that? Oh my god. Right, sorry, it's time for you to go, honey. Okay guys, this is the drink that I got. How cool does that look? It's a lychee drink and it actually has lychee inside it. And I have tapioca and aloe vera. And this just looks so cool. Yes, this is a place called Boba. It's in Hackney. I'm just gonna drink this now and go back home. Thumbnail. So we're just making some seafood spaghetti. This is like my go-to meal. It's so good, so tasty. So we use this seafood mix. This is some onion and garlic and a splashing of tomato puree. And then the boiling water for the pasta. This is legit my sister, the 21, she's knitting. 22. She's literally knitting. Okay, so I just finished having dinner and I'm gonna have my dessert now, which is a cornetto, the strawberry flavour. I love them. And I actually look forward to the bottom part, which has chocolate in it. That's my favourite bit. But I'm just gonna watch some TV now and enjoy my ice cream. And I also have an Apple Watch now, so I can track my steps. Okay guys, I'm in my room now and I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I'm so tired right now. I literally get so tired in the evenings after having dinner. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I feel like it was a bit random, like a bit of mismatch of everything, but nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!